welcome back to my channel. So I did say previously that I was going to have a review video shortly for a new scan tool. It turns out I'm going to have a review video soon for two scan tools. I'm not going to tell you what they are, but they're coming soon. One should be here hopefully next week, and the other one should be here around about November time. So I'm going to have two scan tool reviews, two very good scan tools, by the way. As you know, I've recently done two videos, one of the Topdon GIS 3000, which is Topdon's top of the line, if you will. That's their kind of high range jumper pack. Fantastic bit of kit. Now I showed you how it would jump a car effortlessly. I also explained, if you watched the unboxing, on how it can easily charge your mobile devices, can work pumps, it can work so much stuff. It's a fantastic little bit of kit. I mean, for £149 it's absolutely fantastic. It's got very little maintenance. You just charge it, that's it. And once you charge it, you don't have to charge it every time. You can charge it weeks and weeks later and it will still work. It really is a very high quality piece of kit, and it works fantastically well. The other thing that I did a review of was the Ancel smoke machine. The Ancel smoke machine is again a fantastic piece of kit. I used it and showed you on my Volvo the leak in the intercooler, I believe it was, or a pipe for the intercooler. I've actually bought a new intercooler now, so that's going to get fitted when I finish work, which isn't for a while yet, but we will get round to that. But I'm really excited about my two scan tool reviews, so I can't wait for these to happen, and I'm going to compare. So I'm going to then show you all the scan tools. So I'll have four scan tools at that point. I'm going to show you the scan tools that I have, and I'm going to do a comparison on them all, tell you what they all do as well. But first and foremost, I want to get forward with the reviews that are coming of the new scan tools. So stay tuned, and I would just like to say a big thank you to everyone that views my channel, everyone that likes my channel, and everyone that subscribes to my channel. I'm not very good at this sort of thing. I try my best. I know I don't get on often because I work, but I've got over 1,300 viewers. I don't have a lot of subscribers. It would be nice to have more, but I want to thank each and every one of you for looking at my channel, subscribing, sharing, commenting. It's all fantastic. And please, I know I'm not great at this sort of thing. Everything I do is self-taught, but please keep subscribing, keep liking, keep sharing. Cheers.